Hey guys, welcome back. Now power banks offer a convenient way to keep your devices charged on the go, ensuring you never run out of battery. They're portable, easy to use and come in various capacities to suit different needs, whether you're charging a smartphone, tablet or other gadgets. And for this episode we'll be unboxing and testing one of the newest power banks on the market by Cuktech. If you haven't heard about this brand, they have been in the power banks and chargers market for over 10 years. Cuktech is in close ties with Xiaomi and other tech giants like LG and Hitachi. Over 50% of Cuktech's team is dedicated to research and development and quality assurance. And in the past year, they have shipped over 150 million power banks, 20 million chargers and 70 million battery units. So for today's video we have the Cuktech 20 power bank, which is the 140 watts 25,000 mAh model. It supports 110 watts fast self-charging, features an intuitive display which tells you all the essential stats, and most importantly uses high-quality automotive-grade battery cells with up to 1000 recharge cycles, which is 3 times more than a typical power bank. Before we test the power bank itself, let's do a quick unboxing and see what we got inside the package. As you can see, the Cuktech 20 comes in a sleek minimalistic box. On the front we've got an image of the power bank itself along with the Cuktech branding. Turning it around we can see the key specs highlighted: a massive 25,000 mAh capacity, 210 watts max output, 140 watts single port output and multi-port outputs as well. Inside the box we've got the power bank itself, which we'll check out in just a second. In terms of accessories, we got this really nice high-quality travel pouch, a USB-C to USB-C cable for fast charging, and of course the user manual. Now here is the star of the show, the Cuktech 20 power bank. My first impressions, well, it feels solid and very well built. It's a bit on the heavier side at 630 grams, but that's to be expected with a massive 25,000 mAh capacity. The exterior is made of high quality materials and the matte finish gives it a nice grip, while also being resistant to fingerprints, which is also a nice bonus. So here on the top we got the 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. The USB-C port that's in blue is the fastest charging port, capable of up to 140 watts max. The other USB-C port is rated at 60 watts and the USB-A port is rated at 30 watts. Of course, this varies depending on your device battery percentage and how many ports we're using on the power bank. Of course, we'll test that later in the video. I already mentioned the good build quality, but again we see how tough the power bank feels. There's absolutely no squeaks or rattles, it just feels very well built. So good job on the build quality. Another really useful feature is the built-in display. It shows real-time info like battery level, power, voltage and current, as well as remaining time for charging or discharging. You also have this central LED light that flashes when using the power bank. Now guys, let's connect some of my devices and test the charging capabilities. So this is my old Redmi Note 10 Pro. It's almost fully charged and that's why we're only drawing around 7 watts at 1.3 amps. Plugging in my also almost fully charged Samsung Galaxy A55 draws 14 watts at 2 amps. By pressing the button again, we see this sort of timeline graph, which also shows the power drawn from each port. with 25,000 mAh capacity, this power bank can theoretically charge most smartphones 4 to 5 times, depending on your device's battery size. In my testing, I found that it can fully charge my Samsung Galaxy A55 around 4 times, which is pretty impressive. I'm a pretty heavy user and a full 100% battery on my phone lasts me about one whole day. So theoretically having this power bank with me could give me around 4 to 5 days of battery charge, which is great if you're traveling or simply being off-grid. And thanks to the 110 watt fast charging, if you have the right power brick, it doesn't take all day to refill the power bank itself. It goes from 0 to 100% in about 2 hours, and only about 19 minutes to go to 40%. The Cuktech 20 also has plenty of protection features like overcurrent, overvoltage, temperature and short circuit protection. There's an integrated heatsink inside the power bank which prevents overheating, thus increasing the lifespan of the battery. According to the official spec sheets, this power bank is fully compatible with the latest PD 3.1 charging protocol and can charge models of Xiaomi, Apple, Samsung, Huawei, Oppo and even the Nintendo Switch. There's also a low current charging mode for smaller devices like smartwatches, fitness bands or even wireless headphones. So it appears the Cuktech 20 is a well-rounded power bank suited for a very large array of devices from laptops to even smart rings. Now for the ultimate test, let's see if the Cuktech 20 can handle charging my Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop. This laptop typically requires around 80 to 90 watts to charge effectively, so we'll see how the power bank performs under this heavy load. And it appears the laptop is charging smoothly. The power bank display shows it's outputting around 85 watts right now. This is fantastic, especially for gamers and professionals who need to keep their laptops powered during long sessions away from the wall outlet. I've been using the laptop for about 30 minutes now while it's connected to the Cuktech 20, running some resource-intensive applications, and it's holding up exceptionally well. The power delivery is stable and there's no noticeable drop in performance. Plus, the power bank itself isn't overheating, which speaks volumes about its build quality and safety features. So guys, what's the final verdict on the Cuktech 20 power bank? It's a powerhouse, literally and figuratively. The build quality is excellent, the charging capabilities are top-notch, and with that massive capacity it's perfect for anyone who needs reliable power on the go. It's not the most portable option out there, but if you're looking for something that can charge everything from your phone to your laptop multiple times, this is definitely an option worth considering. If you found this unboxing and review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech and gaming content. If you have any questions about the Cuktech 20 power bank, drop them in the comments below, I'll be happy to answer. You can find purchase links in the video description. Thank you all for watching and see you guys in the next video.